Hey, welcome back everybody. John here again with Fit for Knives. Today we've got another first. This is my first EDC or pocket knife review. And the team over at Oerla was kind enough to send me another blade to review, and they sent me a pocket knife. EDC, folder, whatever you want to call it. So this is the Oerla OLF-0027. And you know, I've got to say, the packaging that Oerla gives you it's fantastic. If you're not a gift wrapper like I am not, these are perfect gifts. I mean, you could slap a bow on this and give it to somebody, and there you go. It comes with this flap right here in the front, which is a little magnet right there. It's pretty neat. Presents itself very well. I mean, this is very professional, very classy packaging there. All right, so let's get to the blade. Very nice looking blade. It just out of the box, this thing feels very sturdy, tight. I mean, it just feels very high quality to me. It has G10 scales. It has a clip here on the back. It does have this section right here that is bolted in, has a lanyard with a glass breaker right there. Closed, it is 5.2 inches. And to give you a better idea, here it is with an Ontario Rat 1. So you can kind of get a size comparison there, about the same. Here it is with a cold steel Fin Wolf. Let's get that one in there. So there's that. It weighs about 6 ounces, so it's a beefy little blade. I mean, very nice. All right, so let's get it open here. It does have ball bearings there, so makes for pretty quick deployment there. Feels very tight. It does have a line lock there. Liner lock system right there. So fairly easy to close and very easy to open. Really nice looking blade. I like the shape of the blade. It is 428C. It has a 60 HRC hardness, and look how thick that thing is. It's almost 4 millimeters thick. So you got some beefiness there. I'm telling you, very sturdy, nice feeling knife. I mean, this could be used in a camping situation. If you don't own a fixed blade or anything, this would be perfect. So we are going to do a little bit of testing with this blade. We'll see how it does, and we'll come back and talk about it. All right, let's go. All right, let's see how sharp it is right out of the box. Pretty sharp. You know, of all of the Oerla knives that I've ever bought or received, they always come nice and sharp. Very good. The geometry of the blade right here is really making this easy to do. This rope's dusty. Let's check out this. Oh wow, man, you see that? That is tearing through this like crazy. Wow. This is doing better than some of my fixed blades. Look at that. That's impressive right there. This is like effortless. All right, got a steak for Nosferatu. So this is a typical use for a lot of pocket knives, is cutting open boxes. definitely making easy work of this, that's for sure. Okay, so let's try a little bit of feather sticking. Oh yeah, that's gliding through there very nicely. So the blade from the factory is coming very, very sharp. No complaints there. All right, so let's check out the tip. Gonna do a little tip test here. Still very solid. I don't hear any rattling, anything like that. All right. Did well. No damage. Ooh, still very sharp. What I have here is a thick piece of leather. Let's see how this thing cuts through this leather. Look at that. Amazing. Gotta be careful here. Are you seeing that? Unbelievable. All right, let's see how it retained its sharpness. Oh, very nice. Look at that. Very sharp. So what did I think of this offering from Oerla? I thought it was very, very, very good. For $28, you really can't beat that. I mean, that's a deal. I mean, it's very robust, built very well. You know, it has the ball bearings, G10 handles. You know, it's got the glass breaker here. 428C stainless steel. Look, if the stainless, I know it's a lower grade stainless. If the heat treat is right, it's gonna hold its edge, okay? It's gonna be a decent steel. People have that misconception. Anyway, it's very robust. It's a larger pocket knife. Now, what I didn't show in this video is I took this blade camping for 2 days this past weekend, and it did phenomenal. I mean, I was sharpening sticks, you know, making sticks for the kids, tent stakes, feather sticks. It even struck a fire steel. This thing started our campfire. So it does have a very sharp spine right here. All in all, did very well in all the tests. It looks really awesome. Like I said, 28 bucks. I don't see anyone going wrong with that. Especially at that price. Definitely a budget blade. If you're just getting into blades, this is a wonderful blade to get started with. If you want to give a really nice gift, the boxes they come in are very, very professional looking. You know, I wouldn't be embarrassed to give this to someone as a gift. So all in all, very cool knife. So let me know what you think in the comments about this blade. We've got a lot more coming. I know it's been a minute since I've put out a video. Sorry about that, you know how things are, but we're still going to continue. I have a versus video coming up, so you guys need to check that out. And so we're just going to keep rolling with it. All right, this is John with Fit for Knives. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Take care.